Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar ZOE WEES third wheel. Not funny to be the third wheel. And yeah, we have 4 chords, very common in that combo, and that's great. Cape on the first, let's go over the famous chords G, D, E minor, and C. So starting with G, we have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So yeah, if you've been playing guitar for a while, you recognize these chords and they really like each other, like a big happy family there, these 4 chords. Starting with the intro, we have just one down, G, D, E minor, C. Again, G, D, and you stay on E minor. That's kind of an intro, and then starts the actual verse. Okay, so now we will look at the strumming. C is the first chord, and this one goes pretty fast. And like for real strumming, it will be down, down, clap, down. And that's pretty much what's going on in this song. A lot of downs, okay, and it goes fast. So in my opinion, I think it's better to do the down, up, clap, up, because that's give your hand some variation. You don't have to work that much with downs, 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 really hammer on like this. You could do it, but yeah, you could kind of strum your head off your arm in the end of the song. It's that much of strumming. You need to work that much harder. So in my opinion, I think I'm gonna go with the down, up, clap, up. That's much easier. You don't have to work that much and you can relax in the song, okay? So that's just my advice to you. You could go with the down, down, clap, down. So for one round, it would be like this. And imagine do that for 5 minutes or 4 or so. It's tough, okay? So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up gives you almost the same sound. Not really the same feeling because it's like a little bit punk rockish with the down, down, down like this. But I think it's the best scenario for this song. So big explanation here. Do as you like. Down, down, clap, down. Or like I do, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Okay, so that is one round. Down, up, clap, up. All right. So starting in first verse, we have C2, then E minor 2, and D4. So that is one round. And you're gonna play that for 3 rounds. Verse. That takes us to the pre-chorus. Okay, the lyrics, wish you could hold me now. Okay, so we have a new strumming here. It is basically 4 downs if you go with the real sound, so to speak, but I will play down, up, down, up. Again, much easier and gives you almost the same sound there. So one round will be like this. Should perhaps be like this. Like this. 4 downs. Alright? Do as you like. Either way, you will go with A minor 2, E minor 2, and D4. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the pre-chorus. So I'm gonna demonstrate both ways of strum here. Down, up, down, up. You're gonna play like this. A minor 2, E2, and D4. with the just downs, 4 downs, it will be. That is one chord progression. Play through of that, and that is the pre-chorus. That takes us to the first chorus, okay? So we have the same strumming here as we had in the verse. The down, down, clap down, if you wish, or like I do, down, up, clap up. No more explanation about that. You will play the following chords: C2, G2, D2, and E minor 2. So one round will be okay, and you play that chord progression for 4 rounds, and that is your chorus. That takes us to the second verse. It's played in the same way as the first one, okay? Play in the same way. All the difference here is you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds instead of 3, so it's a little bit shorter than the first one, otherwise in the same way. And the second pre-chorus, same there, but only for 1 round, okay? So play only A minor, E minor, and D, and that's it for the second pre-chorus. Second chorus played in the exact same way as the first chorus, and then comes a post-chorus part. It's the same as the chorus, but you will play for another 2 rounds of that chord progression you played in the chorus. So C2, G2, D2, and E minor 2. That is the post-chorus part. All right, after that comes a bridge part. When I'm with you, I'm the third wheel. A bad feeling there. That's what they sing here. She sings in the song. So we have again this 4 downs, chewing on the chords, or like I do, the down up down up. You choose there. You're gonna play C2, G2, D2, E minor 2, C2, G2, D2, and a pause. And this pause gives, yeah, it's kind of a vocal part there, so no playing there, all right? And that builds up for the third and final chorus, and that is played in the same way as the previous choruses, and that wraps it up for ZOE WEES third wheel. So sometimes, like in this case, an easier way, it's not absolutely correct, it's just very close, is that much better in my opinion. I show you both ways, but I think the down up clap up will be better for you, save you some energy for some new songs. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.